Let me share with you right now some of the opportunities, the potential, the profitability that exists in growing and expanding, offering accounting services. So we're just going to make this very, very simple so that you can follow along. So pull out a paper and pencil. Let's just do this together. And I think you're going to see some things that are, in my mind, quite important to understand. And you might have some epiphanies here. So first of all, what we want to recognize is what is, in fact, your goal as you start or build your accounting firm. So let me just share with you a few numbers, a few nuances. The average bookkeeping client in the United States and Canada typically ranges between $400 to $600, sometimes even as much as $800 a month to provide the bookkeeping services. Now, if you have that range in mind, you can easily start to calculate a few things. So let's just take, for example, you. How much money do you feel you need to be earning, billing each month? So let's just take a round number and just keep it very, very simple. Let's assume that you wanted to make $5,000 a month. Well, if you needed $5,000 a month, and let's presume with the range of 400 to 600 or 400 to 800 as being the average bookkeeping client, you're charging 500 a month on average for the clients that you have. You then in turn need how many clients? 10. Well, if you have 10 clients that you're offering accounting services to, you're doing the bookkeeping work for, is that something that you can easily do? Well, if you're doing this part-time and you're doing it on nights and weekends, or if you're doing it full-time as your primary income, we want to know how much time is it going to take care of these 10 clients? Well, these 10 clients are very simple. It's on average 8 hours of work a month to do the bookkeeping for a traditional small business. Well, if you've got 8 hours that you're spending for these 10 clients, you've got then how many hours? You've got 80 hours a month that you're needing to dedicate to these clients to do their bookkeeping. Now, if you do the math, that's 80 hours that you're doing or you're getting paid $5,000 a month to do the 80 hours of work. This is how you're starting to figure this out. Now, I do want to take it to another level, however. I want you to understand that there's also what's known as a lifetime value of the client. When you get a client, one of the things that you have to understand is it's not like you get a client and then a month or two or 6 months from now you lose them. The intent is to find and retain a client. And one of the things we strive doing here at Universal Accounting is giving you the information you need so that you can understand how to build that relationship with your clients so that you're always bringing to them things that they can appreciate and value so that they see you as an asset in their business. You're helping them make more informed, educated business decisions rather than being a liability, an expense that they just have to pay for. They value your input, they value the information you're providing. So with that lifetime value, AICPA did a study and found that the average lifetime value of a client is 7 years. 7 years. So if you've got a client that is, let's say, paying you, say, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a year for your services, well, if you've got 7 years and they're $5,000 a year clients, that's $35,000 that you're going to be making from that single client. This one client will in time pay for your car or pay for your child's college education, or they're going to pay something towards your home. I mean, these people are not just $500 a month clients. These clients are people that are actually helping you sustain your livelihood. So when you look at it from the context of building kind of a mini business model or a mini pro forma, you can actually see what the potential is here. What we do at Universal Accounting Center is we take this turnkey process of starting and building your accounting firm and give it some context so that you can actually see what you need to do first, second, third. There's no reason to reinvent this wheel. Accounting has been around for centuries. So why are you trying to figure out how to acquire clients? There are proven marketing strategies that you can use that are effective and efficient to get clients. They're inexpensive. So why not just follow that turnkey process and in your market, in your community, become the premier accounting service? What we do is we help you just do that. Become what we refer to as the profit and growth expert for your clients. Now, there are a variety of services that you can offer. You can be offering from bookkeeping and write-up work to tax work to payroll. There's a variety of things you can do. There's consultative services that you can do where you're getting more into the accounting role and you're becoming more of that CFO for these clients. And that's where you're doing such things as becoming a profit first professional, or maybe you're actually offering these services as a value builder provider. All of these things are key and essential for you to become, as I mentioned a moment ago, that premier accounting service in your community. So understand this: here at Universal Accounting Center, we're committed to your success. We're helping you see that the accounting process here is easy. It's a turnkey process, but also at the same time, it's very profitable. It's something that you can make a very good living doing, and you can be not just a 6-figure, but a 7-figure firm. You can not only be a solo entrepreneur providing these services, but you can have employees and growing your practice. And I'm going to show you right now that this is something that you can do in weeks, not just in months. There's no reason why you need to wait. So whether this is a supplemental income or your primary income, now is the time to start and build your own successful accounting, bookkeeping, and tax practice. Just understand this: if it's about accounting, it is universal. Give us a phone call. Let's talk to you about what it is you're doing, what your experience and background is, what your goals are, what you're trying to accomplish, and how it is we can assist you in making this very simple and easy. Understand that here at Universal Accounting, our coaches are committed to helping you succeed, and we're here to help you for 12, 18, 24 months, however you feel is needed to actually help you accomplish the goals that you have. So I look forward to speaking with you. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to seeing you achieve your dreams and goals. Take a step. Let's go to the next level, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks.